Hi there, everybody.
How's it going, guys?
I hope you survived January. We're in February, so that's always good. It was a long year, January. So the tax year is drawing to an end, and it's important that we address one or two things regarding that, so we can take advantage of all the tax benefits that a retirement annuity or tax-free savings gives us.
Yeah, obviously, Thomas, we invest in a retirement annuity on an annual basis. Those contributions that we contribute, we can actually deduct from our taxable income and get a small rebate back from SARS. There are maximums that we can contribute towards our retirement annuity that we can deduct. Normally, that's about 27.5% of your taxable income, subject to a maximum of 350,000. So generally in February we look at boosting that retirement contribution, putting that towards putting a big lump sum in towards our retirement annuities, just to boost our deduction at the end of the tax year when we claim.
Absolutely. So to make it a little bit simpler, we're gonna do just an example of that and do a calculation for you, just to show you actually how this will benefit you to add a lump sum to your retirement annuity.
100%.
So yes, one of the biggest benefits of having a retirement annuity is the tax deduction from SARS. So based on your annual income, you can deduct 27.5% of that. So if you earn R1 million a year, you can contribute up to 27.5% of that R1 million and still qualify for tax deduction. So 275,000 you can contribute and qualify for a deduction on top of that, which you'll get 41% back from SARS. So that's quite significant. If you earn a lot more than that, the maximum that you can contribute is 350,000. So let's look at a very simple example. If you in a tax year have contributed 1,000, make it 10,000 rand, and you're on a marginal tax rate of, let's say, 31%, then you get back 3,100 rand from SARS in your pocket. So effectively you get back 31%, so that's a nice little 31% already. So that's fantastic. So now this might be through monthly contributions. Now what we are saying is that coming now before the end of Feb, if you have a little bit of extra funds, so let's say an extra another 10,000 rand, push that back into your retirement. Then you'll get back 3,100 times 2. So you'll get back 6,200 rand from SARS. And it's always a good thing to take that 6,200 and push it back into your retirement. Then you get a tax deduction on that 6,200 again the next year. So yes, let's take advantage of this. Also, a very important thing is that you get 33,000 rand a year to invest in a tax-free savings. So 33,000 rand a year. So if you've maybe contributed 1,000 rand per month towards a tax-free savings, all my clients will know that I like this product quite a lot, the tax-free savings. You then have obviously another 21,000 rand left remaining for the year. We can put that in. If we've made no contributions, we can do the full, 33,000. So obviously all of this must happen before 28th of February. All right. Please let us know a little bit earlier, because we need the time. We need a good week or two to get everything in place for you. So let us know as soon as you see this video, you think this is something you need to do, let us know immediately. All right, thank you. All right, so that's just an example of how you can benefit from putting some extra money into your retirement annuity. There's a budget speech coming up, so we'll definitely have a video on that as soon as we know the new tax figures and any important stuff. Hopefully that doesn't go up again. So if anything comes from that budget speech, we'll be sure to do a video on that so we can keep you informed. And please let us know and don't leave it too late, otherwise we'll miss it, the cutoff for end of Feb.
Yeah, obviously the cutoff is the end of Feb. So if you need to get your lump sums in, if you have a lump sum that you can invest to boost your retirement savings, we need it in before the 28th. Obviously being a short month, we get even less time. So let's get on it. Give us a call, give us an email, and we'll get in touch with you.
Thank you. Like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe.